Okay, behind the scenes is content time. So I usually don't do many behind the scenes when it comes to. Well, I don't. Sometimes I don't know. I don't know. A lot of my stuff be spare in a moment. Oh my god, a lot of my stuff be spare in a moment. This is not hot at all. But I, thanks to a friend of mine, I have new equipment that I can use so I can create more content. And Um, I just got prepped for what I'm going to go over for this. Let's see. Okay. I just got prepped for the next thing that we're going to go over. I just got done doing the slides. Um, and I'm going to uh, record myself on OBS, but also recording here. I just got to make sure everything is set. Okay. Uh, I'm gonna minimize myself. Oh yeah. I realize I'm not using an online tool. I'm using this thing. So it's everything is manual. So we're gonna remove this one. Oh, that picks up sound too. I did not notice webcam picked up sound. But I'm gonna use this thing to see the quality. Okay. I wish I could turn. Oh, I can. That's nice. Okay. All right. Mic is in place. Because with my phone, no offense, phone, but every time I touch this part, it makes horrible noise. So if it's charging and the cord is scraping against something, it picks up. It picks up the cord, and if I adjust my hand, it's picking up the movements in my hands because my skin is dry. It's picking up my skin scraping against the phone. Like it literally picks up every single thing. So my daughter let me have her mic because I bought her a new one um, for her birthday. We went to Best Buy and she got her a quality mic. So I snatched up her old one. So I'm very happy about that. And then my friend from high school got me the webcam, the tripod that is sticking on, and my monitor so I can see what I look like while I'm using my phone. If I use the back camera, I can see what I look like. Okay. We're almost all set. Um, I think the only thing I need to add is my screen. And I gotta see. Oh, no. Hmm. I gotta see how I'm gonna do this. So, there we go. Okay. I wanted to show my screen, but it was picking up the wrong things. I wanted to show my Chrome. No, it's not picking up Chrome. Oh. I'm facing some issues. It's not picking up what I have in Google Chrome, and I'm wondering why. Or is it? Hmm. I can't see my presentation unless I'm on it, and I don't want to. Dang it! I don't want to not see. I don't want to not see myself. This is some of the issues that happens, but I realize I'm at 6 minutes, so I'm gonna stop the video here.